need Gareth Sutherland, please come to your bike right in front of me.
Hello.
Through here and around. There you go, mate.
Hello.
Just get here, alright?
You see the Ducati? Which one? I haven't been around yet. I got the one outside or?
Which you're voting for the People's Choice Award.
I voted for the People's Choice Award.
Have you voted yet?
Yeah. Hey, boy, I just doing a bit of video. Wow, it's quite a scene.
It's a proper SPS.
Alright, dude.
Oh, so it's kind of like reverse. Well, so you can see the change. Yeah.
Disco jacket. What's the place? You don't look like you know.
What was the sort of cost about a year ago? Just sat there, I was too busy to the screen on the cafe. I was completely stuck with what I was going to do with it. That's all I wanted to find, right?
I like the I like the pipe terrain, but I have to say it's very clever.
Like a fucking racket, but it's nice. Like putting some of the tyres.
Yeah, front tyres are maybe not that good in the wet, I guess. So.
I don't
You must have hand painted the tyres. So other than Lawrence's bike, what's your people's pick? What's your people's pick?
Well, Lawrence's, of course, but
I actually like the one next to him, number 75. I really like that bike.
yeah,
I love the paint.
I don't like any of the choppers.
No, I'm not a chopper fan though. Like or this like CB450 thing, the silver, looks like an old British bike. That's a very nice thing.
That's pretty good. I do like this blue one. The last practical in the suburbs.
We want to keep the seat really low.
Yeah! Stick a plate on it. Gotta go that way.
Where's Harry?
Chris, thank you.
Paul, he doesn't want to talk. He doesn't want to talk. So, there's your bike. I designed It's a
CB250, Lachlan. That's quite a pound. I wish mine had sounded like that when I had one. I probably would have sold it. I realised I could do take photos, but I like sound. No. It's a HD video camera. That's all it does.
It's awarded for effort and just, I believe the boys were just saying, for something, for things that are unusual and well thought out and with a lot of creativity, and they've gone for Number 1, the Casey Stoner Storage Solutions. Come and sit. Yeah, Helen is great effort. It's very wacky, guys. Yeah, come and see us at the end and we'll fix you up. Yes, yeah, it's a dead heat. And the other one is number 29, the Illabunda Thunder from Ningen. Yeah. Okay, now we're into the top 3, and this is where we award the trophies and the prizes. And as you can see, the trophies are over here. Rod, will I hand those to you? Yeah, of course. And Brad Fingers, where are you, Brad? You still standing, or is he horizontal, vertical? There he is over the bat. That's our fabricator. He's the man. Thanks, Brad. The third prize goes to Bike 14, that's Laurence, with the Cafe crew. And the gift pack and the trophy.
That's what he wanted. He wanted the boost. He wanted the boost. I want my boots now. I might win. You got your boots.
Okay.
They're in here.
Yes,
Foldable boots.
He's been sweating a lot today.
Beautiful. Takes the crank handle off.
Just one other quick thing, all competitors, even if you email me, I just need to get photos of the bikes and your personal story on the bike. You need to come and drop it off to me today if you've got it with you, or please email it through to keith@deus.com.au so that we can correlate your story with the photos that Carby's done today. So please, when you get a chance, come and see me, or mail it through. Thanks.
I know that machine is called a panhead. Because it looks like a pan. Let's see him break his ankle.
It's alright, it's got Converse on.
Finally.
Go stand behind. Stand with Laurence behind the bike. Take a picture.